This video presents Neptus, a command and control infrastructure for heterogeneous teams of autonomous vehicles. Neptus supports multi-vehicle interactions, mixed initiative operations, and the mission lifecycle. It was developed at the Underwater Systems and Technology Laboratory from Faculty of Engineering of Porto University. Neptus can be used for single vehicle operations and allows new operators to monitor the execution. There is a one-to-one control relation between a vehicle and one Neptus console. Vehicles come and go, and their data is disseminated seamlessly through the CWare publish subscribe middleware. Vehicle control can be handed over to another operator. Mission data can be published to the Internet in real time. The CWare supports interoperated networks like radio, Wi-Fi, acoustic modems, and Ethernet. Neptus supports the mission lifecycle phases: planning, execution, review and analysis, and dissemination. This is our mission planning interface. We can, for instance, use images from Google Earth at the bottom left to create virtual representations of the operational environment. We can use other visual elements like marks, geographical figures, or 3D models. A 3D view is also available. The site depicted is a marina at Porto. Compare it to the real site at the bottom left. Here is an example of a mission plan, an E-shaped figure to be performed by Isurus AUV. It's also possible to simulate a mission prior to execution by each vehicle. At this stage, the mission is translated to the vehicle mission format and uploaded to the vehicle. There are several consoles for the execution phase. Here we see an acoustic tracking console used to monitor and track Isurus. Here is the operating console for our ROV Yes. It is shown a teleoperated mission inspecting an outfall at the Douro River estuary at Porto. At the top right we see the real-time video feed, and at the bottom we see a virtual representation of the operational environment. We also use Neptus to operate the surface vehicle Rouage. This was done with the help of a joystick. This mission took place at the Lisbon Naval Base. You can also see the real-time video feed. You can see here a console interfacing with CloudCap's Piccolo Autopilot ground station. At the bottom left, you can see the Piccolo operator interface. In the Mission Review and Analysis module, we can see the collected data. You can plot the mission data and replay the mission execution. At the bottom right, we see a georeference bathymetric profile done by Isurus AUV. Dissemination can be done by publishing data to the Internet. Then, with a web browser, we can visualize a mission in real time. Neptus also supports WSN data integration with visualization in a browser or using mouses. Returning to our mission consoles, they are fully customizable. All components can be reconfigured. New components and layouts can be created, used, and stored as XML. Scripting facilitates supervision and the definition of structural alarms. Neptus has been developed by a large interdisciplinary team. Neptus is a field-tested tool aimed at supporting our vision for the coordination and control of network vehicle systems. This concludes our presentation. For more information, visit the indicated sites.